just to put this 11-inch tom business to bed. We've got 4 rack toms here. This one, 10-inch, 11-inch, 12-inch or a foot in this case, and then 13-inch. You'll also notice that they've all got 6 lugs. And according to a friend of mine who's really good friends with Simon Phillips, he loved this setup because you could get equal tension across all the toms. Whereas if you had a tom this way, it'd be the 8-inch, which has only got 4 lugs. And if you went this way, you'd have the 14-inch, which has got 8 lugs. So it's a really interesting concept. The other common question is, can you get heads for it? Well, that's got a brand new Ambassador on top of it. I've got a brand new Emperor in this box here, which is custom ordered from Remo. I've got another Ambassador there, and then I've got a new old stock Pinstripe. So they're out there, and you can find them. Just check eBay and Reverb, and I'm sure you'll find one. Very cool size. I'm very lucky to have it on this AS2. It's probably one of the rarer sizes I've got. The 11s originated in the Artstar era, and so they did them in Granstar Custom, Artstar 2, and I'm led to believe there is actually some superstars out there, whether that's true or not. I've managed to get hold of this Granstar Custom, which is an 11. It was going to go on my friend's kit and be cut down, but he managed to find a 10x8, so I've acquired this now, and I plan to restore it, because originally it'd have a painted interior being a custom, so we'll get it painted, cleaned up, and try and get it back to its former glory.